So over here, you can see that I have a form in Access, and by default, you can see that it has a certain number of column and a certain number of rows right here. If you want to change that out and add in rows and columns and rearrange the form fields, then you can go around over here onto the view menu and then go to layout view right here. So once you do that, you can select individual cells as you can see, and you can also go around right here and resize out the form according to how you like it. You can resize this out as you can see, and you can rearrange everything. So now what I'm going to do is on the top, you can see there's design, arrange and format option right here. So I'm going to go around into arrange right here. And what I can do is I can simply go around and then insert out rows and columns according to how I like it. So I can select the entire layout right here, select a particular column right here, select a particular row. So you can see that you can select this out as well. So I'm just going to go around and insert, let's say, for example, insert one row above right here, insert one below right here. So you can see that this is how you can go around and format out your form content. So you can go around, insert one to the left as well. So just double insert, and that is what you have. So what you can also do is you can go around and split out contents vertically right here as well. So you got split columns right here as well. And you can also go around and split out horizontally so that you got a split view right here. Let me just go around over here and then select out both. You can also merge them out according to how you like it as well. So let me just go around and then select this. So you can see that this is the split view right here. You can go around and then do whatever you want. So now, once you do this, the advantage is you can rearrange this out. So you can see that this is a cell. You can rearrange the data out however you like. So let's say you want to keep the ID there, the expert ID over here. So you can rearrange out the layout of whatever you have right here. You can also go around over here and resize out the columns right here according to how you like it so that you have the contents wherever you want. So let me just go around into expertise, drag in the access right here. Let's go around, keep the skill right here. And let's say I'm going to keep the price right around over here, just like this, and this is how it looks. So this is what you have right here, and you can rearrange the form fields according to however you like. So you can go around over here onto, let's go around into home, and if I were to go to form view now, you can see that the location of all of these fields have changed now. So if I were to go around right here, go around into next record, you can see that the records changes out. And it is linked to the table right here according to how the table was made. And that is how you can work around with form rows and columns and rearrange the form fields according to how you like it inside of Access file right here. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.